Good morning, everybody, and here I'm bringing you guys what I got in my inserts. Just woke up, grabbed my newspaper, and I'm here to share with you guys. I'm hoping there's some decent inserts in here, but I like to share with you guys what I get because everybody else gets better coupons than I do. I mean, I don't know why we have a whole freaking page of Claritin. Just make one Claritin. Why does it have to be like 8 different kinds? Alka-Seltzer, Latramin or whatever. Dr. Scholl's. I haven't seen any deals on Dr. Scholl's in a while. I used to get some good deals, but now they cut back on that. Here we got the Schick razors. 75 cents off of 2 like Honey Maid or that. We got 75 cents off the Honey Maid to make some s'mores. Olive Garden, Revlon, McCain fries. Here we got 50 cents off of Colgate, 75 cents off of batteries, Stonyfield Organic, Lysol. Look at more checks. Never have to run out of checks, even though I don't write checks in years. Lumify, $1 off 2 or $1 off 3 Crystal Farms. Bacon. Here we got actually bigger coupons this time. $1.50 off Glade, $1.50 off, $1 off, 50 cents off. So got some Glade coupons. So there is what was in my Smart Source, and now we're bringing you what is in my Retail Me Not. Can you say hi? No? Okay. So here we got $2 off body wash, which is a good coupon. This is a great coupon, $2 off Vaseline, $1.25 off Dove. Here we got Advil, Fibercon, Centrum, all that fun stuff. Got some more medicine, Centrum, Advil, Robitussin, Advil, Nexium, Thermacare. And here it says if you spend $25 or more, you get a $5 gift card. And then we got Azteca, 25 cents off those. Look at that. That's nice. Super nice. She looks very comfortable wearing that shirt. She must wear it a lot. And then, ooh, these are Dollar General coupons only, but we got Purex, and Renews It. So, those are what I got in my inserts. I hope you guys get better inserts, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.